What's the meaning of Beelzebub? Beelzebub. Beelzebub.
Beelzebub. Beelzebub. Beelzebub is a term that originates from the Hebrew language and refers to a demonic figure in various religious traditions. The term can be translated as Lord of the Flies and is often associated with Satan or other dark spirits. In some religious contexts, Beelzebub is considered the prince of demons and is depicted as a powerful and malevolent force. The name has also been used in literature and popular culture as a symbol of evil or corruption. Despite its negative connotations, the term Beelzebub has also been interpreted as representing rebellion against oppressive authority.